Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Centaurus Berserk GX3 gaming PC. I have looked through the internet, checked hardware discussions, user feedback, and performance expectations for this type of setup. And in this video, I'm going to break everything down in a simple way and also tell you clearly whether this PC is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. So right away, the specs on this system are very impressive for the price and category. You get the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K 20-core processor, Radeon RX 9060 XT graphics card with 16 GB of VRM, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. This is clearly not an entry-level machine. It is designed for people who want serious multitasking power, strong gaming performance, and enough headroom for creative workloads like video editing, streaming, or content creation. Starting with the processor, the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K is a very powerful modern CPU with plenty of cores and threads for demanding applications. In real-world use, this means gaming feels smooth while also handling background tasks without slowing down. Whether you're streaming gameplay, editing videos, running multiple programs, or simply multitasking heavily, this processor has more than enough power for most users. Now, one of the biggest highlights of this build is definitely the Radeon RX 9060 XT with 16 GB of VRAM. That large VRAM capacity is becoming increasingly important in modern AAA games, especially at higher settings and resolutions. From what I've seen online, this GPU performs very well for 1440p gaming with high or ultra settings in most modern titles. AMD cards also tend to offer strong raw rasterization performance, so games without heavy ray tracing usually run extremely well. The extra VRAM also helps with creator workloads. If you work with video editing, 3D rendering, or large creative projects, having 16 GB of graphics memory gives you more flexibility and better long-term usability compared to lower VRAM cards. That is honestly one of the reasons this system feels more like a hybrid gaming and creator PC instead of just a standard gaming desktop. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM is another big plus because it keeps the system fast and responsive during multitasking. You can keep games, editing software, browser tabs, and other applications open without the system feeling overloaded. The 1 TB NVMe SSD also helps everything load quickly, from Windows boot times to game launches and file transfers. Design-wise, the Centaurus Berserk GX3 has the clean modern gaming PC aesthetic most people expect today. It looks powerful without being too over the top, and it fits nicely into both gaming and workspace setups. Built-in Wi-Fi and Windows 11 Pro are also included, which means the system feels ready to use right out of the box without needing extra upgrades immediately. Now, there are a couple of realistic things you should keep in mind before buying. While AMD GPUs offer excellent value and strong gaming performance, NVIDIA still has advantages in ray tracing and some professional creator software that relies on CUDA acceleration. So if your workflow depends heavily on those features, an RTX-based system could still make more sense for you. Another thing is storage. While 1 TB is perfectly fine for starting out, modern AAA games and editing projects are huge now, so heavier users may eventually want to add more storage later on. After looking through everything online and analyzing where this PC fits in the current market, my honest opinion is that the Centaurus Berserk GX3 is a very strong all-round desktop for gamers and creators who want powerful hardware without jumping into ultra-expensive flagship territory. It delivers excellent multitasking performance, strong 1440p gaming capability, and enough power for editing and streaming workloads as well. So should you buy it? My answer is yes if you want a balanced gaming and productivity PC that can handle modern games, creative work, streaming, and multitasking very comfortably. It is especially appealing for users who care about higher VRAM capacity and strong all-round performance. But if your top priority is maximum ray tracing performance or NVIDIA-exclusive software features, then you may still want to consider an RTX-based alternative. Overall, The Centaurus Berserk GX3 feels like a powerful and well-rounded gaming desktop that successfully combines gaming and creator performance into one system. And for the right user, it absolutely makes sense as a buy.